Otalo, a Norwegian building tech startup, is on a mission to solve the world's plastic pollution crisis, as well as the shortage of quality affordable housing, by designing homes made out of 100% recycled plastic. In addition to affordable housing, Otalo's target market includes refugee shelters, temperature-controlled units for storage of food and medicines, and camps including hospitals, schools, temporary living for disasters and emergency situations. This year on World Habitat Day, Otalo's founder Frank Hatto teamed up with the United Nations Habitat, a program for human settlement and sustainable urban development, and architect Julien de Smet to help tackle Africa's housing shortage. Otalo is using its patented technology to develop 3 demonstration homes in Kenya's capital Nairobi, Yaoundé the capital of Cameroon, and Dakar the capital of Senegal. This green housing initiative could be a game changer in sub-Saharan Africa, where 160 million affordable homes are needed. This profound number is expected to surge to 360 million by 2050 as a result of rapid urbanization. However, with the amount of plastic waste on this planet, Otalo is confident that 1 billion houses can be built. The process of creating Otalo's upcycled homes includes shredding plastic waste and combining it with other elements such as non-flammable materials. These materials are used to build up to 4 floors with a home of 60 square meters using 8 tons of recycled plastic. For example, just one production line from Otalo's factory in Estonia can produce 2,800 housing units annually. This sustainable housing also has other add-on features, such as terraces and covered walkways. By early 2022, Otalo hopes to start mass-producing these upcycled homes. According to Otalo, since 1950, more than 9 billion tons of plastic have been produced globally, of which only 9% is recycled, while almost 1 billion people live in slums. UN Habitat also warns that without the presence of effective urban planning, there will be dramatic consequences of rapid urbanization. Some of these consequences include a shortage of proper housing, and therefore the presence of more slums, inadequate and outdated infrastructure, as well as an escalating poverty, unemployment, pollution and health issues, etc. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.